Sometimes I feel the fear of uncertainty stinging clear, and I can't help but ask myself how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be teaching you how to play Drive by Incubus on a ukulele. So I don't know if Incubus ba yan or Incubus. So anyway, so ito pa requested ni Miss U. So any Incubus or Incubus song. So first grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So ang kantang ito ay mayroon lang dalawang part. So intro, verse, chorus. So isang chord pattern lang yan. Then sa refrain, isang chord pattern lang din. So sa intro, verse, chorus, ang chord pattern yan ay E minor, then G major 7, then C major 7, then A7. Okay, again E minor, G major 7, C major 7, A7. Then sa refrain ay C major 7, then A major 7. Then for the strumming pattern, down, 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 then up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, up. Then sa refrain ay ganito, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Sometimes I feel the fear of uncertainty stinging clear, and I can't help but ask myself how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer. It's driven me before, it seems to have a way, haunting uphill, but lately I'm beginning to find that I should be the one behind the wheel. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there with open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there. So if I decide to waver my chance to be the one left behind, well, I choose water over wine and hold my own drive. Even me before seems to have the way that everyone else gets around, but lately I'm beginning to find when I drive myself, my light is found. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there with open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. So, yun ang kantang Drive by Incubus. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.